Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. So recently, after about 5 years of not fixing nails, I fixed nails, and you see they've removed some, have not, like this one here. Even you can see this one, there is still sign of the gum on top. Okay, it was quite tough. It was not easy for me to remove it, and it's not safe for you to use to force it out, because it can actually rip out some part of your nails. Okay, so I went up to a place for them to remove it. The nail dissolver they had was so weak. I don't know, maybe they bought a fake one. It could not even dissolve the nails. They were trying to pry the acrylic nails from my real nails. I said, no, 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 they shouldn't. They shouldn't. I'll come and make mine at home. So that's what I'm going to make now. Okay. So now these are what we need. We need our acetone. Okay. We need our acetone. We need our isopropyl alcohol. I actually put it in this container. Okay, don't mind me, I put it in a 5 Alive container. You need your color of choice. You need your measuring cylinder. And you need your empty container. Now, instead of using isopropyl alcohol, you could, if you wish, use ethanol. Like this one is absolute 99.9% pure ethanol. You could use ethanol or methanol, but I will advise ethanol. Okay, then or your isopropyl alcohol. I'll be using isopropyl alcohol. I don't want to waste my ethanol. I use it for more sensitive projects. Okay, so now to do this is simple. You need your ethanol, you get your acetone. Okay, you open it up. I'm opening up my eyes. My acetone is a bit strong. Okay, so this is it. You open up your acetone. You measure 17 mils of your acetone. So this is my measuring cylinder, and you can see it is graduated to 25 mils. Okay, so that is 25 plus 25 is what? 50. 50 plus 20 will give us your 70. Okay, so you can see it's at 25. Okay, so I'm going to pour it into my container now. This is 25 mils. I'm getting another one. This is another 25. You can see. This is how many mils now? This is 50 mils. So I'll add another 20 to give me 70 mils. Okay, where's 20? This is 20 here. You can see it. So that's where our 20 will stop. Okay, because this isopropyl alcohol is liquid, I'm using a measuring cylinder. If it's solid, I'll use my scale. Okay, so you can see it at our 20, right? You can see it. So I'm going to pour it in. Good. So I'll cover my acetone. You know it's a spirit, it evaporates easily. So I'm covering it up immediately. Okay. So now what I'm going to measure now is my isopropyl alcohol, and I'll be using 5 mils. Where is my 5 mils? Let me show you. On my measuring cylinder, here is 5 mils. Okay, so I will open up my I'm using one hand to video cover. It's not up to minutes more. So that's 5 mils. You can see it. Okay, so I'll now pour it in. cover my isopropyl alcohol quickly. Then my color of choice is a water-based color. I'll just add a little. Add small again. Add drops. Don't put much at a time. Okay. It's a water-based color. I'll close it and shake. If the color is not enough for me, I'll add again. Okay. So you can see. And this one, I bet you, will be far stronger than the one in the market. So I'll add it a little bit. Okay. Okay. So I've put in all my color. Meanwhile, that instrument that I put my color in, they call it a pipette, a measuring pipette. So voila, this is exactly what is in the market. Exactly. The only thing remaining for you is to put your sticker. If you're making a large batch, you multiply it out. Simple. You've made your isopropyl alcohol, the one that is stronger than some that are in the market, and it's as simple as that. So I'm going to test it now for you to see whether it is actually functioning well. Okay, so this is my cotton wool. Okay, I don't want to put it on the floor. Then this is my newly made nail hardener remover. I'm using one hand. So my tripod stand, the one I use for videos, just spoiled this morning, just broke this morning. So sorry, I have to use my hand for everything. So let me start with, how will I do this thing now? Let me put this here, because we like to stay. Hope you can see. You can see the way it's sticking, the cotton wool is sticking to this, dissolving the nails. That's more the color in the nails. So that's it. Okay, you can see it removed it. So thanks for watching my video. Bye.